MG Gloster price for the base model starts at Rs. 38.80 lakh and the top model price goes up to Rs. 43.87 lakh average. Ex-showroom. It is expected to be launched by June 15, 2024. Fuel type: diesel. Engine: displacement 1996 cubic centimeters. No. Of cylinders. 4. Transmission type: automatic. Body type: SUV. Gloster has an NCAP rating of 5 stars and comes with 6 airbags. MG Gloster is available in 4 colors. Pros: quality and fit/finish. Large cabin, connected car features. Powerful engine, smooth gearbox. Extremely absorbent ride quality. Intimidating road presence. Cons: excessive body roll. Unexciting design language. Accomplished rivals, Fortuner. For more car reviews, subscribe our YouTube channel, Cars Squad.